the bank got me saving for the past 2 weeks. Me someone transfer 80,000 USD. My woman to me.
2 weeks.
2 weeks. Me number 26. And the governor share me catch them. Me share me catch them. So now they are inciting us against our customers because your customers no or mobile or him say I did not turn to 480. Yeah, dollar need me free 14 about 10 no. Yeah, first one nya itimi teso no when him says ye nya nke bete so mo. Ye nya intimate so mo. Meanwhile, omo eba and I posted something. Now when I'm for phobia omo MP. Me say governor rate in Ikutan. But oh per dollar per there this is kwa buchi.
At what rate?
Say me no wote ha no mu obi anim say rate Ghana you use 10.3. But otrofo ose me dance ni wa buchi enno a me bisa me yi say me hieska because nyame ayamadom any me integrity. He say me move call 120 days credit. Say man hwe na say me ntimi ani sika wo se busumi bia me de ko. Na say me credibility say ya. If I na me ko nya busia Ghana ha no over $400,000 e de aye adwuma. Nti say nyame ya ado no bi be ma me sa credit na because of rate nti 2 weeks na me ntimi send this scan ma ni pa kro no.
Bank bank.
Me mo bang in the
oh name and shame
me mo bang
finance minister obeka and one say
that is the rate
parliament obeka bank ni be deliberate omo jiska no a no mo dey ma abochi for 2000 on their behalf you know it
that is true
hanti am bisa
on rate no
me hu fa ma me kan
je me ntimi nyame za
o no
me ntimi nyame za rate or the man me 12.3
Senya bank ya abochi
me can say a bank
was your bank no
what I say because minya it is the best say politicians ne say omo de nye bibia no mo be politics we any bresem and I'm here speaking for more than over ye dwuma omo mo ye dwuma me kasa me nipa be 2 million enipa omo kutesika omo ezika gubanga omo pesa omo kofa ne ma omo nya yenye nhyehyeye hwe yene governor share we na na ansan you share finance ministry no no crofo na GR4 when him say ship owners na governor my 10.3 your shipping lines bia omutimi ko to 13 omutimi ko to 14
and they are
say they should some crofo we nyina wo man we mu a e was o man mra na omde ye adwuma.
So ebusiamo akaba biom Sanfran Braga na Asem TV so edi ameje so any promise the blogger video yakọ hwe ye eye video a ye nwa no mamudi dwa e di nsem to dwa de afa dollar aya kire se NDC aban no edi agro ne ho omo kire mo se dollar no rate no eda form e wo Bank of Ghana omo eye social media eye ntintan fidie no eso a omo kire se currently no eye 10.93 na say almost 11 cedi na emom no so wokọ eye bank se wokọ pebia na akoye buachi bidin wokọ a ye beka kire wo say kwa ha fa ha twen akra ye bitia ma wo say ye be say at the end of the day no you not even get what you are looking for and they are saying that e ade a ha omo pan ama omo businesses from see this dollar thing. It's something that you should know. Say, these people are just manipulating the system. And you see, the fact that there are a lot of people with low IQ in the country, sometimes make it very difficult for you to communicate to them because they don't even understand what is happening. The fact that Bank of Ghana deal with natural no, that's all they think about. That is all they think about. But you see, the dollar will be going up very soon. Because I've seen recently Bank of Ghana issue where the amount said they should stop injecting more dollars into the system to make it look like the system is okay, everything is okay. You understand? But in real life, no, it is not like that. And the Bank of Ghana is telling them that what you guys are doing, you are rather doing things to affect your economy. You are doing things to affect them. So you understand? And Tibon say at the end of the day, the Ghanaian people are going to suffer because you get a time. Do you know that this current government has introduced new 8 taxes? 8 taxes because of what they are doing. 8 taxes. And then you see, people are not talking about it because they are still enjoying the goodwill. But things are actually fading very fast, I like the way things are actually going. People are just realizing how these people are using their goodwill to manipulate the system and lie to the Ghanaian public on how they are actually managing the country. Things are very, very going very bad. Things are going very, very bad. And I think it's time that people should wake up and talk and tell the government and the Bank of Ghana governor to stop injecting more dollars into the system. Stop putting more dollars into the system to make it look like the economy is doing everything is okay, whilst they know that everything that they are doing is artificial. And thanks to Bank of Ghana and the IMF for letting the Ghanaian people know. You know the funny thing about this whole situation, you see some people still trying to defend because it's their political party and they don't even think about the effects those things are going to have on us. They're not thinking about that. They're just thinking about, since it's their political party and it's affiliated to them, they kind of not see anything wrong with that. But indeed, I will tell you that what is happening is very, very, very bad. Very, very bad. And it is time we speak up and tell the government to stop doing it. Asa, people are crying in the market today. They are not buying anything. They are not buying anything. And when so, things are very, very expensive in market these days. And they are not correct. And we are just hoping that Ghanaians will wake up and see the true color of the umbrella. As Osai Nafina Markin said, "Hi, Ghana and Asem TV. Edin Amejiso. I'll frame me Amejiso. Any promise the blogger." If that was.
I've just recently saw that B-STEM has been launched. We launched it. I launched in November 1st, 2024. B-STEM was launched at East Legon, at the Underbridge. I launched it. But I'm told it has been launched again. I mean, if it's a real launch, it's fine. But I want Ghanaians to know that before we left office, we secured funding and we launched B-STEM to focus on junior high schools and primary schools, because the earlier STEM initiative focused on senior high schools. So that had been launched.